Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. The first step that you want to do is you want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. When you're at your profile, I want you to click on the three straight lines on the top right. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. With the recent updates guys from Meta, things look a little different. Click on the first menu, which is Accounts Center. When you're at Account Center, I want you to scroll down and click on Personal Details. When you're at Personal Details, the only option that you have is Account Ownership and Control. Click on it. When you're at Account Ownership and Control, you could simply choose to deactivate or delete your account. There is a major difference in between guys. I want to make sure that you're aware of the differences, okay? If you just want to hide your account in your profile and your content for, let's say, the next couple of months, but you don't want to delete your videos, you don't want to delete your pictures, you don't want to hide yourself, right? You most likely want to deactivate your account. How you reactivate your account? Well, simply you have to go back and log in. That's it. If you click delete, this means that you have only 30 days in which you are able to go back and recover your account. If you don't do so, your account will simply be deleted. But like I mentioned guys, this is how you deactivate your Instagram account. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more.